Welcome to this lesson on classifying items on the statement of cash flows using the indirect method. Let's learn how to properly categorize different transactions. The statement of cash flows has three main sections: operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. Some transactions are considered non-cash investing and financing activities and are reported separately. Let's look at some examples of operating activities. These include changes in working capital accounts like accounts receivable, inventory, and accounts payable. It also includes non-cash expenses like depreciation. Investing activities involve the purchase and sale of long-term assets. This includes buying or selling equipment, land, or other long-term investments. Financing activities relate to obtaining or repaying capital, such as issuing stock, paying dividends, or borrowing money. Let's look at some specific transactions and their proper classification. For example, when we declare and pay a cash dividend, this is a financing activity. Recording depreciation expense is an operating activity adjustment. If we purchase land by issuing common stock, this is a non-cash investing and financing activity. Remember these key points. Operating activities relate to day-to-day business operations. Investing activities involve long-term assets. Financing activities deal with capital structure. And significant non-cash transactions are disclosed separately. Thank you for watching this lesson on classifying items on the statement of cash flows. Remember to carefully analyze each transaction to determine its proper classification.